Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by toasting peanuts to intensify flavor and remove moisture. This helps nougat set. Once done, chop half coarsely and reserve whole pieces for texture. Meanwhile, combine 200 g sugar, 100 g glucose, and 50 g water in a saucepan and begin heating to dissolve. Whip 3 room temperature egg whites to soft peaks while monitoring syrup temperature. Timing matters because syrup must reach the right stage before you combine it with the whites. You bring syrup to 140 degrees, 145 degrees so the nougat becomes chewy instead of brittle. Use a candy thermometer for precision. Once the egg whites are at soft peaks, slowly stream the hot syrup into them while the mixer runs on medium. This cooks the whites and creates a glossy, stable meringue. Make sure to add 1 tsp vanilla for flavor balance. When the mixture thickens, fold in the toasted peanuts gently to preserve air and maintain a light yet chewy structure. You press the warm nougat into an 8x8 pan lined with parchment, using lightly oiled hands or a spatula to get an even surface. This prevents sticking and ensures consistent thickness. Once set at room temperature for 2-3 hours, flip onto a board and slice using an oiled knife for clean cuts. If pieces are too sticky, refrigerate for 20-30 minutes or dust cut edges lightly with cornstarch. This fixes adhesion without altering flavor, so you retain chewiness and appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.